Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com, your Norwegian suite experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Norwegian Sun. This particular category is an aft-facing penthouse. Personally, I love being in the aft of the ship and I can't wait to show you this suite and all of its amenities. But keep in mind when you're ready to book this suite or any room or suite with Norwegian, Oceania, or Regent, make sure you reach out to HarTravel. We are your suite experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with the cruise lines, and we know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the HarTravel signature service every step of the way. Now, your suite experience will start even before you board the ship. You'll have concierge services before and during the cruise, and of course your HarTravel advisor can review that with you and make sure you get exactly what you're looking for. In addition to that, you're going to have priority embarkation and disembarkation throughout your cruise, including those tender ports, so you can get to the action as quick as possible. You're also going to have 24-hour butler service here on board. You're going to love everything your butler can do for you. They're pretty incredible. They can do everything from packing and unpacking to drawing a bubble bath and, of course, arranging all the reservations for your time here on board. Now, there's quite a few more amenities, and I'm going to cover them as we tour the space. Now, as soon as you walk in the door here, you've got a little bit of a hallway. There is a separate door into the bathroom. Now, I'm going to take you there in just a minute on the other side. You've got this little nook here with a charger, and then I like that because you have the ability to put your keys or things you don't want to forget before you head on out the door. Now, this does attach to another balcony, so you can purchase the balcony next door if you'd like. It's also aft facing, so if you want to turn this into more of a two-bedroom suite, that's a possibility for you. You'll have bubbly on ice upon your arrival. And now we're in the living room space. Now it's a really nice large space. You've got this extra large sofa here. It does fold out into a bed. So if you have more than two passengers staying in the suite, or of course if you have friends traveling together, it's a true separate bedroom here because you have doors going into the bedroom. On this side here, you're going to find your writing desk. You've got two US plugs and a European plug here. Now I always bring extra European adapters and converters so I can take advantage of all the plugs in the space. You have an espresso maker. I start my day at home with one every day, so I love that I can do that here as well. They'll replenish that and the tea fortes as you'd like. Now keep in mind, you can also have a standing order with your butler where your coffee's delivered at a certain time or have it whenever you would like. Now you're going to find all your glassware, stemware, and things like that because you'll be able to dine in your suite. I'll go over that in just a minute. You have your mini fridge underneath here, the first of the large flat panel TVs that you can angle at the couch if you'd like. And then you're also going to have a DVD player and a full surround sound system. They're all the way around here. Maybe you're watching a movie or a game, you can utilize that. For me though, it's incredible to have this space looking directly out the aft of the ship. That's my favorite view on the ship, and I can't wait to take you outside in just a minute. Now we're going to head through to the bedroom, but I wanted to point out, as I mentioned earlier, my favorite feature, which is the doors. I love my family. I love traveling with my family, but having that extra level of separation so somebody can be taking a nap or relaxing or sleeping in and not disturb their partner or their family, it's such a fantastic touch. Now, right here in the middle, you're going to find the large king-size bed. Norwegian has some of the best beds in the entire cruise and hotel industry. They're extra comfy, they're upgraded, and they upgraded all the beds and the linens recently. I also love that you can even choose from a pillow menu. Now, on either side, you're going to have a nightstand, and underneath the reading lamps, you're also going to have USB chargers. That's a great feature as well, so you can charge your device overnight. You're going to have a second flat panel TV here that you can watch from the bed, but of course this bed is angled directly out the back of the ship as well. You've got storage underneath here with the drawers, and then as I open this up, you've got quite a bit of storage here. So you've got hanging storage all the way across. This tucks back on either side, and you have shelving units that go all the way to the back and the front of the room. Hanging storage across the middle, nice golf umbrella that you can utilize on board, and then those extra comfy bathrobes and slippers. Our guests love them so much that many of them purchase one when they get home. Now I did want to point out from a storage standpoint, you've got tons of storage room underneath the bed, and then as we head around the side, we're going to head into the bathroom area, but you also have more storage in the dressing room. Another door here. That's a great feature to give you that extra level of privacy. And then on this wall, you're going to find the rest of your storage. So you've got hanging storage inside there. Open this up, you're going to find your safe, perfect size for a passport or wallet. Storage with shelves all the way up, and then all the way down, you're going to have drawers here as well. You have your vanity to get ready, a nice large backlit and downlit mirror. You've got your magnifying mirror here that's also backlit as well, in addition to the hairdryer and a little stool where you can sit and get ready. There is a US plug and a European plug for you to utilize. Now, as we step further in, we are now in the bathroom. Now, you've got a nice large vanity here with tons of storage underneath. You have storage on the side here just behind, plug for a razor, but it's all about those little touches, those comfy bathrobes. You've got your shower poof, shower cap, and those highly upgraded L'Occitane bath amenities. Now, you have a nice large soaking tub here. I'm 6'6", and it's perfect for me. Of course, I mentioned your butler could drop a bubble bath for you. You can imagine coming back from an incredible shore excursion and having a nice relaxing soak. Now, it does function as a shower as well. There's a shower head up above and a shower curtain, but a great feature here is that you also have a step-in shower. I'm a really big guy. Like I said, I'm 6'6". I can actually fit in here and move around. You've got your adjustable shower wand and more of those L'Occitane bath amenities. Just behind me, you're going to find the water closet. I like that it is behind a door, so you have that privacy there. And then just to point out, this is the door that goes into the entryway, so you can enter from either side. Now we're out on your private aft-facing balcony. To me, this is what it's all about. It's my favorite view on the ship. There's something about watching the wake kick up in the distance. It makes my blood pressure go down, my smile get big, and I know that I'm back at home here on a cruise ship. Now, you've got a full table here. It's that perfect place to have a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening, but you can also have every single meal right here if you'd like, in the suite or out on your balcony. They'll have white tablecloth service where they'll set that table for you and bring all of your food choices. It's also a great place for family game night or to gather with friends. On this side, you're going to find two large loungers. Extra comfy. They've got the extra padding and the terry cloth covers there, as they do with all of the suites. And then you also have a little bit of a wraparound there. I did want to point out that there's a door from the bedroom and a door from the living room. It's great. Maybe you wake up early, you can head on out and start enjoying this without disturbing anyone else. Now, when you're ready to book this beautiful aft suite, the incredible forward-facing owner's suite, or any room or suite with Norwegian, Regent, or Oceania, make sure you reach out to Hard Travel. We are your suite experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with the cruise line, and we know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Hard Travel signature service every step of the way.